talk about how to get gorgeous hair with 3 simple steps. With these 3 simple steps, you're going to get very nice, lustrous, shiny hair. And I'm sure in this festive season, you're looking for a very gorgeous hair, like everyone does. So by using these 3 products, you can get gorgeous hair within a week with 3 to 4 wash. So I'm going to show you step by step how you're going to use this. These 3 products are definitely going to make your hair look very glossy, shiny and healthy. So let's see, friends. So let's see the function of this shampoo. It claims that it strengthens the hair shaft and also it is having nutritive protective oil of primrose. It also claims that the hair appears frizz-free for 4 to 5 days. So definitely the first product I will recommend for gorgeous hair is this. So let's see the application. So friends, after the first step, we need to use this second product. This is Loreal Serie Expert Prokeratin Unlimited Hair Mask. So we have to apply this hair mask on all over our hair. From the top to the end of the hair shaft, and we have to keep it for 5 to 7 minutes. After that we have to wash it in warm water. Please friends, do not use hot water because it's not good for the hair. This product is claiming that this is having keratin oil complex which helps to strengthen the hair. And what we have to do, first we have to shampoo, and on our towel dried hair we have to leave it for 5 to 7 minutes. If you have a thick hair like mine, if you have a medium hair, you can keep it for 3 to 5 minutes. Mask acts as a humidity blocker and keeps the hair texture very smooth and bouncy. It polishes the surface of the hair, making it more damage-free and frizz-free. In this way, the shine is enriched and the damaged hair is repaired. So let us see the direction of the application, friends. friends, the third product in the Loreal Serie Expert Kit is this. This is my favorite one. This is Serie Expert Bliss Unlimited Serum. So after the application of shampoo and hair mask, when you towel dry your hair, you need to apply this serum from the top to the bottom of the hair. You need to apply this serum on your hair for a long-lasting shine and protection. That when we apply this, it adds shine and controls and manages our rebellious hair, and that is absolutely true. From my experience, I can tell you I got very good result with these three products together. You can't use only one product and expect that your hair will look great. To get gorgeous hair, you need to have all the three products in your kit. Use these products, friends, and do let me know how did you find it. And if you like this review, please do hit the like button and also share this with your friends and family. And friends, please do not forget to comment. So friends, without further delay, go for these three products. I'm going to give the link to buy these products online in the description box. Please get it and enjoy and get gorgeous hair this festive season. Till then, all of you take care. Bye bye.